Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable sound effects on Cricket League. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Cricket League app on your device. Now, tap on the gear button that shows up just beside your profile icon. Then, tap on the box just beside the sound effects on the settings until it shows up on green color with a tick mark. And that's it. This is how you can enable sound effects on Cricket League. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.